In today's video, we are going to show you how to play two-player on chess.com. Whether you want to play online with a friend or on the same device, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open chess.com, and from the homepage, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the play. This gives you multiple options, and I want you to play online, play bots, play coach. It's up to you. But for now, we're going to use play online. From here, you have an option to select the play a friend. Now choose your friend from the list or search their username. All I have to do is super simple. Click the game type. You can choose from a standard, a chess 960, like Bug House, 3-check, Crazy House. So if you want to stick with the standard, you can do so. And you can choose from a 10-minute rapid, bullet, blitz, daily. It's up to you. For now, we're going to choose the standard 10-minute rapid. And then you have more options here if you want to play as the white or the random or the black color. This is just for your own preferences. Once you're happy with that, click the send challenge. Your friend must accept the challenge for the game to start. Now, for live games, they usually need to be online. Okay? Now, keep in mind, if you and your friend play from the same location or device using accounts, games between you should be unrated to follow platform rules. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to play two-player on chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.